Simpson,
I'm Chandler.
and today we're going to show you how to install a toilet step by step.
First, you gotta install closet bolt, closet plan. Go.
Now the next step is you take the wax ring, you open it up, and then you put it on the bottom of the toilet. And then you line the bolts up and place the toilet on top of it. Now when you're tightening closet bolts, you want to make sure you tighten them evenly to create a good seal.
Next step, apply a tank to the toilet bolt. Make sure your bolts are aligned and tighten them up evenly for a proper seal. Next step, install the flapper to the flush valve. Make sure your chain is properly adjusted.
Now I'm going to install the fill valve. And then you take the fill tube, put it through here, and then your float's right here. This is the toilet supply line. This part right here is usually already installed to the wall for project purposes. Now I'm going to put this on the bottom. There you go. Then you turn the valve on. Now that the water is on, you want to watch it fill up and check that the float turns off the fill valve when the water gets to the right height.
The final step is install tank lid. That's how you install a toilet.